Hello, kids. We are going to look at vowels and consonants again for our word study today. Just as a reminder, all letters in the alphabet are either vowels or consonants. Every word must have a vowel sound. The vowels, A, E, I, O, and U, are the main vowels, those five, and sometimes the letter Y makes a vowel sound. Now, the letter Y is considered a consonant, but when we're talking about vowels, we're talking about the sounds that the letters make. And sometimes Y makes an E sound, sometimes Y makes an I sound, and sometimes Y makes an I sound. When it makes those sounds, we consider it a vowel sound. All of the other letters are consonants. So in your word study notebook today, we have an assignment for you. First of all, don't forget the date. Today is August 24th, so you're going to write 8/24 on the top left of your paper. Your job is simply to write your name and all the names of the people in your family. You can ask them how to spell their names if you need to. You are going to go on a vowel hunt with those names that you write down. So you want to circle every vowel in each of the names. When Y makes a vowel sound, circle it. So, for example, in the name Lucy, the Y at the end makes an E sound, so you would circle it. In the name Yanni, the Y at the beginning makes a Y sound, so you would not circle it. That would be its consonant sound. I made a page to give you an example. Um, what what I would do here, I've got the names of the people in my family, and it's Todd, Kelly, Annie, and Harper. And so what I would do in my notebook is with a pencil, I would circle all of the vowels. So I know T is a consonant. O is one of the five main vowels, so I would circle it. Um, of course, it doesn't just let me circle it. I just want to put a circle around the O. So I'd put a circle around the O, and then the DD would be two consonants. Here we've got Kelly is a consonant sound, so K would not get circled. Is the E, the short E sound, so I would circle the E, and then LLY. LL is L, those are consonants, and Kel E, this Y would be a good example of a Y that I would need to circle because of the the consonant, or sorry, the vowel sound that it makes. Yes, it makes a long E sound. And here we've got Annie, so short A, and then so I would circle the A. I would leave the ends alone because they're consonants, and then the I and the E work together to make that E sound. So I would circle both the I and the E because they are vowels. And in Harper's name, the sound for the H would not get circled because it's a consonant. Now, AR is kind of tricky. It makes R, but it's what we call an R controlled vowel. A would still get circled here. A is a vowel. And then ER, is another R controlled vowel, but the E would still get circled because it is one of the five main vowels. Now, if you get finished with this assignment and still have time before writing, go into Schoology and you'll see this Monday Word Study 2, the Vowel Song. It's this kind of kids British rock band, and they are singing a song about memorizing the vowels, the five vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. Takes about 5 minutes. Go ahead and watch that and have some fun with it. Um, and that's your work for today. We are studying vowels and consonants. The main vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. They make each one makes two basic sounds, a long vowel sound and a short vowel sound. When it makes the long vowel sound, it says its name. So A says A, E says E, I says I, O says O, and U says either oo or U, like in cute or tube. The short vowel sounds sound a little different. So short A is ah, short A is I, eh, short I is I, short or short O is ah, and short U is And we'll study that more. Um, Learning the vowel sounds is an important part of spelling, and it will help you in your writing work. So. Uh, Good luck, enjoy, and write your family's names down in your in the on the next page in your word study notebook, and you will then circle all the vowels that you wrote down.